Welcome to a world not of blue skies, but one enchantingly infused with a spectrum of ever-changing hues. A world where the ordinary takes on an extraordinary persona, and where the mundane morphs into an ethereal spectacle. This is not a scene plucked out of a fantastical fiction novel, but instead a phenomenon that is deeply rooted in the reality of our world. Welcome, my friends, to the captivating and spellbinding realm of atmospheric optics. Atmospheric optics, of science that might sound alien to many, is a discipline that focuses on how the properties of light interplay with the Earth's atmosphere to create a plethora of phenomenal sights that never cease to amaze us. Over the next few minutes, we are about to set out on expedition, a journey that will take us through the skies and into the heart of this incredible science. We will dive into the depths of atmospheric optics to unravel the mysteries that lie within. We will delve into the intricate ways in which light interacts with the Earth's atmosphere and uncover how this results in breathtaking visual displays that have the power to mesmerize and captivate. Our atmosphere, a thin layer of gases that envelopes our planet, serves as the perfect canvas for these incredible light shows. It becomes the arena for a captivating symphony of light, a spectacle from the exuberant shades of a mesmerizing sunset to the mysterious and ethereal radiance of the northern lights. These splendid displays, these magical performances of nature, they are all the outcomes of sunlight's intricate interaction with our atmosphere. From the vibrant hues of a sunset that paint the evening sky to the eerie yet captivating glow of the northern lights that illuminate the night. All these are the result of light from the sun dancing with the particles in the Earth's atmosphere. So, fasten your seatbelts, open your mind and eyes as we embark on this enlightening journey through the incredible world of atmospheric optics. Our journey through phenomena begins at the heart of it all, the refraction, or bending, of sunlight. This fascinating principle of physics dictates how sunlight, as it voyages through our atmosphere, interacts with the myriad elements it encounters. Among these are molecules of air, minuscule droplets of water, and an array of particles suspended in the very air we breathe. Each of these encounters a reaction, leading to the sunlight bending, scattering in a myriad of directions, and in certain instances even altering its color. This complex interaction of light and atmosphere results in a plethora of fascinating phenomena, a prime example of which is the formation of rainbows. This begins when sunlight meets a droplet of rain in midair. The sunlight, upon contacting the droplet, refracts or bends, only to then reflect off the droplet's inner surface. As it exits the droplet, the light undergoes refraction yet again, this time splitting into a spectrum of individual colors, each one contributing to the stunning spectacle that is a rainbow. But rainbows are just the tip of the atmospheric optical iceberg. Our atmosphere holds elusive phenomena, shrouded in mystery and awe. Among these are the ethereal glows of the aurora borealis and aurora australis, the northern and southern lights. These mesmerizing dances of light are the aftermath of solar particles colliding with gases present in our planet's atmosphere, resulting in a breathtaking light show that paints the sky in a myriad of colors. Venturing further into the realm of the rare and unique, we come across phenomena such as the green flash, a fleeting optical marvel that can be observed under extremely specific conditions. Most commonly spotted at sunrise or sunset, this elusive green hue is a testament to nature's unique sense of artistry. Similarly fascinating is the glory, a circular, rainbow-like light pattern that can be seen from an airplane. This circular spectacle adds a touch of magic to an ordinary airborne journey, serving as a reminder of the wonders that can arise from the interaction of light and atmosphere. Each of these phenomena, from the commonplace rainbow to the elusive green flash, underline the intricate and awe-inspiring interplay of light, atmosphere, and refraction. These captivating occurrences are testament to the wonders of our world, a daily magic show played out on the grandest stage of all, our skies. Atmospheric optics, as a branch of science, holds an astounding significance that extends beyond the visible beauty of natural phenomena. It is a captivating fusion of aesthetic brilliance and scientific inquiry, serving as a lighthouse guiding us into the uncharted depths of our planet's atmospheric conditions and their distinct characteristics. This field of study covers a diverse range of natural spectacles, each with its own unique significance and splendor. The beauty is not only in their visual appeal, but also in the scientific revelations they unfold. It's like nature's own way of communicating vital information about the state of our atmosphere. Take rainbows, for example. These vibrant arcs of color that appear after a rain shower are not just visually arresting, but each of their 7 colors is a scientific phenomenon of light refraction, reflection, and dispersion. Similarly, the mesmerizing auroras at the poles are beautiful displays of celestial fireworks, but they also reveal vital information about the interaction between solar particles and our planet's magnetic field. Moreover, the scattering of sunlight by the atmosphere, which results in the kaleidoscope of colors at sunrise and sunset, or the serene blueness of the daytime sky, are natural spectacles that give us insights into the composition and conditions of the Earth's atmosphere. And the implications of atmospheric optics extend well beyond our Earth's atmosphere. This knowledge plays a crucial role in meteorology, helping us predict weather patterns with greater accuracy. It also aids in climate studies, helping us analyze changes in our environment and make informed predictions about future trends. In astronomy, it provides valuable insights, helping us comprehend the atmospheres of other celestial bodies, thus broadening our understanding of the universe. For instance, the color of a sunset can reveal the presence and quantity of dust and other particles suspended in the air. Such observations afford us an intimate glimpse at the atmospheric conditions of our planet, which could then be useful in predicting weather or assessing the impact of pollution. So, atmospheric optics is not just about appreciating nature's visual poetry. It's a fascinating blend of science and beauty that enriches our understanding of the world around us in the most visually stunning way. It's like the universe teaching us about itself through a grand cosmic visual feast. In conclusion, the world of atmospheric optics is no less than a captivating fusion of science and spectacle. It is a realm that has always been fascinating, standing as an indisputable testament to the phenomenal intricacy and allure of our planet, our home, Earth. The sphere of atmospheric optics, you see, goes beyond what meets the eye. It represents an exquisite balance, a harmony of scientific principles and the innate beauty of the world around us. It's quite enlightening, isn't it? How the simple air that we breathe in without a second thought, the air that often goes unnoticed in our daily hustle and bustle, can suddenly transform into a medium for awe-inspiring illumination spectacles. Spectacles that never cease to amaze, ranging from the commonplace rainbows we often marvel at, with their gentle arc of colours brightening the otherwise blue sky, to the rare and scarcely seen phenomena like green flashes that leave us in a state of awe and wonder. These distinct phenomena, these miracles of light and air, these instances of sheer wonder, they spark our curiosity and serve as a stark reminder of the miraculous events that unfurl when light and air interact. They are a gentle nudge, a reminder to us of the magic that is often missed in our daily lives amidst our relentless pursuits and endless tasks. The time you find yourself casually glancing up at the sky, bear in mind, it's not just a blue expanse above. It's not just an empty canvas above our heads. It's an entire spectrum of myriad hues lying there, dormant, ready to be uncovered and appreciated, all thanks to the marvels of atmospheric optics. This sphere of atmospheric optics is a unique junction where the scientific principles and the artistic elements merge, crafting a mesmerizing concerto of vibrant lights and hues. It's a spectacle that evolves unceasingly, offering us a breathtaking display of lights and colors that is persistently astonishing and unfailingly captivating. So here's to the world where science and art collide, creating a symphony of light and color that is always changing, always surprising and always captivating. A world of atmospheric optics, a world that's all around us, waiting to be admired and explored. For indeed, it's in these moments of observation, of marvel, do we truly appreciate the beauty of our world, not just as spectators, but as parts of this ever-changing, ever-fascinating symphony of light and voiceover. Before we conclude our exploration of the awe-inspiring world of atmospheric optics, we have a small request to make. If you've enjoyed this journey through the marvels of light and air, and if you're as captivated by the fusion of science and spectacle as we are, then we invite you to join us on more such enlightening journeys. We are Tech Fact Max, a channel dedicated to uncovering the often overlooked wonders of our world, a channel committed to sparking curiosity and fueling the thirst for knowledge. If you found value in our content, we'd be deeply honored if you could subscribe to our channel and support our mission of spreading knowledge and fostering curiosity. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we unearth more such fascinating facts about our world. Be it the enigmatic realms of quantum physics or the mesmerizing spectacles of our cosmos, we promise you a journey of discovery and learning like no other. Your support not only helps us to continue creating such content, but it also inspires us to dig deeper, to research further, and to continue offering you the most intriguing, most enlightening facts about the world we live in. So, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and join us on this journey of discovery. Thank you for your support. Remember, it's your curiosity that drives us. Stay curious, stay informed, and together, let's continue exploring the endless wonders of our world.